YouTube, you see him. Man, we got the new, I'm a little late, but we got the Wahl cordless Singer. It ain't new. Well, it's pretty new to me. Probably not new to y'all. But let's see what we got here. Hold on, there we go again. I can't open it with this one hand, so hold on. Hold on. All right, that's trying to be crazy. All right, we good. Guess I should do it this way. I'm doing an unboxing. Established in 1919. Boy, I thought they sent me the 1919s at first. The clipper. Everything look pretty good, don't it? I seen some reviews where people was talking about like they was used. I had to make sure. We got the cord. I'm ready for that dot cord, man, because I hate plugging these things in. Let's see what we got in this box. Got the premium guards, that's good. Got another comb, I got a million of these. Instructions. Oil and the little brush. And a little note there. And that's it. Let me see if it's working. Oh, working right out the box. Okay, but I'm gonna charge it up and I'm gonna set these joints, see how close they come. See if you can focus. Yeah, they're nowhere near zero gap, so I gotta adjust them. I'm gonna show some videos cutting them, but this is the unboxing. This is everything that comes with it. And stay tuned for the next video showing how these joints cut. I've been waiting for these for a long time. The Wahl Singer cordless Singer.